Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video about US dollar index. Today is Friday, and we had NFP. On Wednesday, we had FOMC. So what really happened is that I made the US dollar index chart, and it was like here, that is going to bounce from 0698, and I made this on the 21st January, right? I said that this is a big level and it's probably going to bounce. It already did, right? So you can see the wick. So I said, okay, if this continue bouncing, it's going to go up, and this will happen when it goes up. These four pairs where the USD is on the right hand side, they will go down, and these three pairs will go up where the USD is on the left hand side if this goes to the upside. Then excuse me, I made another chart on the 28th. After a week, I found that the price is still messing around in the same area, right? So I said, okay, it's not going down and it should not go down, and then it might go up, and whenever it start to go up, this will happen. But my concern was that this another low just below this, so I marked it. This is actually 0595, but I was pretty confident that 95% or more chances were that it's going to go up from here. Then what happened? This happened on FOMC. FOMC happened, and the price here, USD dropped to this level anyway, 0595. So it's okay, and then start bouncing, right? So I said, okay, maybe this is what it is, and now we're gonna go to the upside. And this was 2nd February, which was Thursday, and Friday today is the February 3rd, right? So just one day before NFP, this was the situation, and I said we're gonna go up, and this will happen. All these four pairs will go down, these three pairs will go up, and I will take my trades and I'll show it to you. This was all predetermined. Now, another version, the 80-minute chart, I start making. Well, let me see if I get, okay, here. So this is what happened to the weekly chart. You can see this is what happened today after NFP. It went all the way straight up to 1026. I was also catching that this thing from 21st. This was my last, see, 0698. So Elliott wave count 1, 2, 3. Then we're supposed to go up for wave 4, and then it was still messing around here. So I made the same chart again, and finally, what happened today? It went down a little bit from 0698 to 0595. It went down from this level to this level, and then finally NFP took it to the upside, and we were here when I recorded, and then now we are at 1026. Keep going to the upside. So we are going for wave 4. Now, if we already did that, right? And I'm supposed to have these trades. I said it, right? I said, when this thing is going to start going up, and this will happen, and then I'll take my trade. So let's see. I do not watch or trade NU at all, right? So besides that, let's see what I did on these pairs. Okay, I'm going to show you only today what happened when after NFP this thing is going to start going to the upside. Today is 23. And what's up here? Okay, now 4 pair were USD on the right hand side. So EUR-USD after NFP and down 125 pip trade today. Pound USD, this was a day before this entry, but based on the USD, right? So it was on the 2nd, only for 65 pip. It was waiting for NFP, but still I got the 65 pip on the 2nd, Thursday. But today, 3rd, entry here, boom, boom. This is NFP, and after that, all the way down, 180 pip, pound USD. What else I said? Newsy USD, I don't trade, and Aussie USD. Okay, Aussie USD on the 3rd, 70 pip. Not much, but something, right? Now, other three pairs, USD CAD, USD Yen, and USD Franc, supposed to go up. Now, USD CAD didn't go up because CAD got strong as well, so I didn't get the entry on that. But the other two, USD Franc, from here, beautiful entry, 75 pip. And look at this, USD Yen. This is NFP, boom, boom. And then by the time I took it, it was like boom, 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 it was going fast. So this was a setup, but I got the entry here. This was that fast it was, right? And the problem was, it's all of a sudden I got so many, my beepers start beeping here, there, different places, different pairs. My alarm actually, right? So this CTS alarm 5, and I had like 6, 7 alarm beeping all over. So, by the time I took all of them, some were late, like this one. So this is 170 pips. So you see, I had almost 6, 7 USD pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, and then 6 trade. Only USD pairs today based on that one USD weekly chart, USDX weekly chart. All right. So this is how the index works. So if you want to learn how to use the index properly and then hit all the pairs that currency involved in, for example, if yen index is moving or about to move, if I can catch the setup, then you have 7 yen pairs, right? So when yen index move, all 7 pairs will give you the entries. So you've got that multiple choice, literally multiple choice. Pick and choose your trades kind of situation you have. All right. So if you like what you saw, you can go my website. Where's my website? My website is disappeared here somewhere. Yeah, here you can go here. You can sign up, subscribe monthly or for one-on-one if you want to learn everything like harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, SNR level, trend line, this, that, this is strategy, how to use it properly. Every single thing I teach in my one-on-one 10-hour course, very intensive. So you can do that. As well as I have this Telegram, right, where I post constantly my setups and heads up and about the upcoming setups and all of that. So if you like what you saw, just go here and then join the group. All right. So this is it for now. Now, one more thing, that if you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe, because after this I'm going to make the video about the gold. And by the way, this is just the beginning. We are just getting started here. Let me show you the US dollar index. And we're going to get a lot of trades in these USD pairs. Let me show you the current chart. See, this is just the beginning. This is a small move that we're probably going to go here and then even higher than that. 61% is all the way up here. And by the way, NFP numbers came out big time better than expected, big time. So it might help USD going all the way to the upside. So a lot of trades coming in, and I'll be posting. And then if you join, you get the I do the webinar and I show my setups, the strategy, how to take the entries, and all of that. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later with my gold video. If you want that video as soon as I upload, subscribe the channel and like my videos so you will get it fast. All right. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.